All right, everyone, a quick update on GST here. So we're looking at a new chart that I drew up here. This is up 10% on the week almost. Now we're going from what I consider the bottom here on GST. We're not going from the ultimate high to the ultimate low that we were looking at. We're still looking at the uptrend that was here that broke. And of course, we came back down to this penny price level. And the reason I'm going to use this as the bottom because you can see clearly support here. Once we broke that support, all of these weekly candles had these wicks come right back up to a penny and they were getting stuck. And then once we got back above a penny, it was support once again. Then we took off, did about a 13x on that move perfectly up to the 382 at 15. And we've been selling off ever since. But the good thing is we're back down to that penny range here for the last month, holding support at what I consider the bottom here. So as long as GST is over a penny, this is what you have to look forward to. Let's bring up the second Fibonacci on the chart here. And you can see the clear price to beat is going to be getting back over the trend line and the 786. So once we get the price over 1.5 pennies here, we should be in business to move up to that 618. So from where you are right now, looking at about a 21% move to that 1.5 pennies. And then once we get some follow through, get back above that trend line, the 618 comes into play at 249, so almost 2.5 pennies for about a 99% move here. And then once we get over that 618, that should pretty much tell us that the price is coming back up to the macro 236 here, and we'll take a shot at that 5.5 penny price range. And then once we get over that, that would confirm that penny range was the bottom here. And then of course we're not bullish on this thing until we get over 1.5, and we can clearly see that in the past here. The last time this thing did that 13x and had this nice move in 2 weeks, it did a 13x up to the 0.5 perfectly. So that tells me a lot of people were watching this level here, and this is where they all took profit at, and then the price went down, of course. So with all that being said, we're going to get into a couple of new price targets here because I want this to be as accurate as possible. So when this thing is having these giant green candles spawning in here, you guys and me know these prices to look forward to and to look at for taking profit, because I would imagine a lot of people will be watching these prices. Now let's pull this down. So if we come back up to the 382 from today, you're looking at a 11x on your investment to 15 pennies there. And then the 0.5 if we hit 33. So 15, 33 are two good profit taking targets. You can see a 25x on your investment up to 33. And then this is where we get into the market cap. So $1.4 billion market cap up to the 618 retracement at 75 cents is going to get you about a 57x from where the price is today. And then the potential top here, in my opinion, to a $4.4 billion market cap up to about 234, 235. And that's where you're going to get a nice 178, 79x on your investment here if you think it's going to go that high. So these would be your targets to take profit: 15, 33, 34, 75, and then I would let the rest ride after that up to the 786 here for that potential multiplier there. So what are your thoughts on GST? None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.